Here I am with my JK onboard air system from Kleinn automotive air horns, and what I'm showing you is that I got my tire down at 10 pounds, and that's what a lot of people will air down their tires till. I usually do it at 12, but I put it down to 10, and we're going to see how fast my my onboard air will refill this tire up to 35 pounds, because that's what I run it at. So this all came in the kit that I got. Alright, so I'm just going to go plug it in right now. Try not to squib this. Now I have my quick connect right here. And this air hose will go all the way around the Jeep. So we're going to say, I'm going to hit my stopwatch. We'll see how long it takes the air up. From 10, there goes my compressor just kicked on. Pressure switch sensed that it needed pressure. This is going from 10 pounds to 35. I'm going to check it a little bit because I can still see it's pretty bulged out, so we're not going to check it yet. This is a pretty nice tire chuck that comes with this kit. I use the easy deflator to take my valve stems out to go the air down faster. It's been a minute right now. And I'm at 20 pounds, 25, sorry. Well, 30. Alright, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm at 35 pounds right there. I'm going to bring the camera up and show you a minute. Just videotape that. Showing 35 pounds and 2 minutes and 40 seconds for one tire. Another reason I got the Kleinn onboard air system for my Jeep JK is I camp, and I pull a camper and I put airbags in my rear springs to help me with squat. And there they are right there. So I usually leave the house with them at 35 pounds, but the problem is when I get to my destination, I can't let the air out, or I have to find a service station before I start towing again. And then if I leave the air in, it's a little bit harsher ride. So now I'll be able to get rid of the air when I get to my campsite, and then I'll be able to fill it back up just before I leave. So here we go. I'll show you what we're gonna do here. And here's where my entry point is. So with my Kleinn tire chuck, it doesn't fit on there, so it doesn't, it won't put air in there. So I'm going to use this. And you'll be able to see the Jeep even raise up. I'm going to put 35 pounds in there. There goes my air compressor kicking in. It was leaking a little bit more, so that's why I didn't immediately kick in. A little bit too much. So I'm going to take some out. And that's all it takes to fill those little airbags, just a very little bit. And that's it. Now I fill my airbags. One day I'm going to put a solenoid in there so I can do it from in the cab, but that's a little bit later. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to try our NASCAR approach to the Kleinn onboard air system for my JK. I'm going to see if I can get these lug nuts off with my zip gun, impact wrench, and then I made sure these are all torqued to 90 foot-pounds. So let's see what we can do. Just kicked on, so let it build up a little bit of pressure. Let it build that little bit of pressure up. We'll get rid of this last one. Just not enough air to torque it. Once it cuts off, try it again. So this is not for everyday use at the tire stop for sure, but I think it got those 4 off. It just has to rebuild it. If I would have let it rebuild before I start trying it more, I think I'd have it off by now. There we go. So it just takes one duty cycle afterwards and got all our lug nuts off. Looks really good. And that's